Ang hirap ka para
You ask Charlene. Can you ask Charlene when did she... Ay, no.
When she comes.
Kailan ba siya...
No, Tagalog.
Wait. It will be...
Yeah, it's not good.
It will be from Tagalog to English.
Okay, go.
Okay. So, Jodel will learn. Okay. Tanungin mo siya, kailan siya pumunta dito sa Pilipinas?
Charlene?
Yeah.
UK? Philippines? When? Go! When?
When?
Answer.
The
Again. UK? Philippines? Go there. When? Flying the airplane. When?
I left April 6th. No, April 4 and I arrived April 6th.
Next.
Okay, good.
Next ano?
Sunod, kailan siya babalik ng UK from Philippines?
Charlene? Philippines?
Yeah.
UK? Airplane? When? Ewan. Tagalog pa lang. Tagalog. Naubos yung baon ko. Kainis.
I'll meet you halfway.
Halfway?
Halfway. Paano halfway? Tagalog, halfway.
Manananggal yung gano'n. Halfway.